Lenses. We will learn in this video about lenses and its main types. Lenses are used in optical devices such as the camera. A lens works by changing the direction of light passing through it. The curved shape of the lens, as you can see, refracts the rays. Each section of the lens refracts light as it goes in and again as it comes out. The main types of lenses are convex and concave. What are these? A convex lens or converging lens, from its name, it converges. It makes parallel rays converge to a focus. As you can see here in the figure, the point where parallel rays are focused is the principal focus or focal point, this one, and the distance from the center of the lens to the principal focus is called the focal length. Also, taking the distance of the focal length, we place the principal focus on the other side also from the lens. Therefore, as you can see, the rays of light converge and meet at one point. What is it used for? A converging lens is used as a magnifying glass and in a camera to form a clear image of a distant object. Now, a concave lens. A concave lens or diverging lens, the opposite of the convex lens, it makes parallel rays diverge, spread out. They spread out. As you can see here in the figure, the parallel rays spread out, and the point where the rays appear to come from is the principal focus of the lens. The principal focus is where the rays that diverge meet. So they meet before the lens. So the principal focus is here. And again, what is the focal length? The focal length is the distance between the principal focus and the center of the lens. So that's the focal length. And the same thing as the convex lens. In ray diagrams, the principal focus is shown on the other side of the lens too. So taking the same distance of focal length, we place the principal focus on the other side of the lens. So what are concave lenses used for? A diverging lens is used to correct short sight. And that's how we learned about lenses and the main two types, convex or converging lens and concave or diverging lens.